Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check microphone usage history in your Android phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down a bit and here you can find the option on the privacy which is permission used in last 24 hours. Then just tap here. That's it. Now from here you can check your permission usage details. If you want to check your microphone usage history, you have to just microphone from here. That's it. Then just tap on microphone and that's it. From here you can check here all the microphone usage history. You can see last 24 hours only 4 apps used my microphone. You can see Messenger, WhatsApp, keyboard and game. Now if you want to manage your microphone usage, just tap on 3 dots, then tap on manage apps with these permissions. That's it. From here you can enable or disable your microphone permission. Suppose if you want to disable this microphone, just tap here and you have to just choose don't allow from here and it's done. And that is how you can check microphone usage history in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.